feels too good, demoralization, sorry. And the beliefs underlying that are often things like, there's no way I can stop using, so I might as well continue to use. There's definitely spiritual remedies for the treatment of alcoholism and drug addiction. One of the most common, which is freely available and present throughout many countries and certainly present throughout Ann Arbor, would be Alcoholics Anonymous, based on the 12-step program. There's also some rather angry people who don't agree with this spiritual solution alluded to by Dr. Christensen previously. I don't know. I personally wouldn't want to go to dinner with these guys. So, you know, a common thing that people say about the idea of going to Alcoholics Anonymous, and I think something Dr. Christensen and I have both heard a time or two, is, you know, I'm not religious, I don't believe in God, that's just a cult, and so I can't go. And there really is a strong distinction between spirituality and religion. One is organized and one is a more sort of way of living. I'm sure there's much better philosophers who can describe this, and I'm sure you can find them online. I'm going to leave it there. But a good example would be like the United States Marine Corps, which would be a commitment to something greater than yourself. You know, it's God, country, and corpse. God, country, and corpse. And then if alcohol is not your drug of choice, there are plenty of other 12-step programs. There's 12-step programs that are weirdly specific, and the internet has sort of only made them more easy to access. So all of them are based on the same sort of spiritual underpinnings that are in Alcoholics Anonymous. And what about this Alcoholics Anonymous? Has anyone ever done a study about that and shown objectively? Because that's, I know, one of the things that, you know, I went to MIT and I really want evidence for things that I do. Like, I want to look at the facts, and I wish I could calculate the statistics, but I like to know that someone has calculated the statistics, and then I'll read them. And this is a study, Project Match, which shows so it's a little bit confusing, this slide, but it's essentially showing the people who are able to remain abstinent past 3 months when using 12-step programs, which is